very good afternoon from the capital, and our last mailing attraction of the day. We've done them all now. Started off this morning at Madame Tussauds, then did Shrek Adventure, then did Sea Life, and we have just come out the London Dungeon as well. There are vlogs on the channel from today from Madame Tussauds and Sea Life. You can't obviously vlog Shrek and the Dungeon, so go and check them out, but this one is from the London Eye and I'm very excited. So it'll be a short vlog, do a few little clips and obviously take some photos as well. So yeah, I'll take some shots and see where it takes us, but yeah, very happy to be on this. It's been nearly 9 years, as I've said in my other vlogs. You can walk around it and I'm excited to be back on it. Just realised, I'm pretty sure there used to be the interactive tablets last time I did this, with some information of the things you can see and information about them, but I'm guessing they got took out like in 2020, so, and they've just not returned. It's about 5 o'clock now, so the sun, well, it's not going to be setting soon, so it's June, but it's on its way down. And there's River Thames. It's quietened up a bit now, but it's still like absolutely even on the South Bank in the city centre. It's nice to see though, everyone's come out for a nice day. It's a nice hot day in London today, but it's nice to be back on it, it really is. It's been so long. I think the other side's slightly better for the things you can see. Big Ben's on that side, Westminster, Wembley, so get some shots of them when we're on our way down. But just loads of skyscrapers, loads of cranes, but they're building skyscrapers. Wembley, I spotted it. Had a few visits there now for stadium tours and games. I've literally been underneath that arch, all the way over there. We're looking at it from London Eye. I'm sure I'll be back soon. Always nice to see Wembley. Hopefully when we're at the top of this wheel and on the way down, the cranes aren't in the way. But there we have it. It's not far from the city centre at all. Buckingham Palace, it's over here, Big Ben, Westminster's somewhere over there. The view of Big Ben's a bit weird with the angle of the glass at the minute, and I can't see what I'm doing because of the sun. That's nice. There's Buckingham Palace. Oh, it looks busy over there. I can barely see what I'm filming, to be honest, because of the sun, but there it is. There's Buckingham Palace. Hopefully I'm not zoomed in on a completely different building, but we have it. Wembley's there without a crane in the way. But once again, I can't see what I'm doing. Is it that one?
Somewhere on.
Yeah, we're on Fort Park Watch. It's somewhere over there apparently, but
I went on Google Maps and it said it's over there.
I'm sure if you could see it from here, someone would have already like said.
Yeah, but as it actually.
Yeah. I don't think we'll be able to see it.
It's a nice day.
What is that over there? Is that the globe? Shakespeare's globe over there, is it? It looks like it. Sort of globe. Yeah. Let's try and get us zoomed in on Wembley. I do like Wembley. Yeah. It's not even focusing. We're at the top. I think we've stopped for a little minute as well. But good views. It's over there. It wasn't focusing on Wembley. Should we try it again? There we go. Let's have a look at this side then, where Big Ben is. Westminster over there. Nice skyline. As we make our way down. Over there's the Shard. Never actually been like anywhere near that building or up it or anything, or outside it, so gonna have to change that one day. Waterloo Station. Came into London via that station this morning. And we'll be going back to the hotel via that station as well. So busy near Big Ben and on that route there. Crazy. But it's nice. And it's a nice day. The air conditioning is on in these gondolas, but over here you can't really feel it. Probably because the sun is like literally beaming on this side. So if we do go over here, the aircon is on. And it's quite nice. Lovely structure. And we're back on ground level on South Bank of the River Thames. Are we? Well, it's been just over a year since I was last there anyway. But boat rides as well. Yeah, we're going to Wimpy. We love a Wimpy here. I don't really know what else to say. That concludes this short vlog from London Eye. Really enjoying it. Might as well end the vlog here. Really enjoy it. Get some really good views. Definitely worth doing. We're going backwards, I think. But yeah. Get some great views. The staff are friendly as well, I noticed, like really friendly. Sort of as you're queuing up and loading on. So it's a good experience. Yeah, we're getting a roll back on the London Eye. Yeah, that's it. That's the spirit. But anyways, from the London Eye, might as well end it here. Thank you very much for watching this rather short vlog. Go and check out my Madame Tussauds and Sea Life vlogs from here in London. The first on the channel from those places. A lot longer than this one as well. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Whenever that may be. Thanks for watching.